Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to add Optifine 1.21.7 to Minecraft on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. Click the second link in the description to get Optifine. Look for 1.2.1.7. If you see a download button, hit it. If not, select Preview Versions, then mirror to skip ads and download again. Close Minecraft in the launcher, and ensure you've played 1.217 at least once. Double-click the Optifine file to open the installer. If it fails, you need Java 21. Grab it via the link in the description, install it, and retry. Hit Install, then OK. Delete the installer file, you won't need it anymore. Open the Minecraft launcher and Optifine should appear under Installations with Modded selected. Click Play and accept the prompt if it pops up. Once in game, hit Escape, go to Options, then Video Settings. Optifine's new menu is there. And that's it. You've successfully added Optifine 1.2.1.7 to Minecraft. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.